My God, it's 200 years old turtle, huh? Very old.
You know, if I touch, it feel me, I'm a good person. You see?
Yes. It's 230 years old. I salute. I
Hey,
salute.
big picture!
It video already, huh, Mama Mia.
I go to the other one.
Okay. Very old. Yeah. No, don't salute me. Come here. 230 years old.
Very nice.
Very old.
Very fast, huh?
Lady, huh?
Yeah, it's my girlfriend. See, she like us. You want a beer? A beer? You take picture with me, the tattoo? No?
Yeah. Already, like,
Only the video.
take the video can. Yeah.
Video? They with me, huh?
Yeah. See? So all my friends here. Okay.
Oh. Now I go inside. Now I go inside. When she go, I go inside. See, you see? She go. You see, go? I go inside. Now close, now close. For 1 second, I go inside the teacher. Okay, okay. Understand?
No, no, no. Okay, look, that one is young. And this one is
Yeah, this is the very big.
the old one.
This is the bigger than everyone.
Similar the stone, this one. They can live, you know how much? 1,000 years. Huh?
Yeah.
Huh? Mama mia, no. 1,000 years they can live, ah. 1,000 years they can live, ah. Turtle they can live 1,000 years.
Like me.
How old are the, no?
Hmm.
Come here. Up. Like about. Up. No, no, no. Puta.
Hey, rubber to it.
Okay, let's go.
My
Take a picture. You want to ride in the turtle, my God.